Guten Tag, hier ist die Frau Walker, and in this video, I just wanted to go over what Mastery Check 3 is going to look like. So it's going to be like the other two Lesson 3 Mastery Checks that you had done before that were the Google form. So I'm sticking with that. It seems to be working really well. People are getting some great listening practice in, and they're able to show me that they can comprehend the reading well. That's on the standard that we've been working on. So we're going to keep up with that. It's going to be two listening activities, two reading activities. This time it was out of a total of 20, so you need to get at least 18 correctly to pass this mastery check, all right? Please make sure that you are not using closed captioning or any kind of translations that would defeat the purpose of the mastery check, right? So you're just going to bring your Chromebook up to the mastery check table, as well as like a blank piece of paper so you can make down any notes that you need to. Just remember, don't write down like this equals that, because then you're doing the work and the other people can just copy off your paper, right? Just make notes on that sheet so you have to re-listen a million times. But obviously, rewatching is totally allowed, rereading totally allowed. Okay. So yeah, once you get your 18 points done, you show me and I will sign that off here on your mastery check form, and then you can take a picture of this and upload it to the assignment. Okay. If you've got any questions, please feel free to let me know, but make sure that you complete the practice before you do this mastery check, because the biggest problem that I have is people are like, I'm just going to go for the Google form and give it a try, and they haven't done any practice, and then they sit there redoing it over and over and over and again when they could have just done the practice, which helps you pass the mastery check. Okay. All right. I will see you shortly then. Viel Glück. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.